Is Pepecoin a good investment? I see a lot of people asking this question, especially with the upcoming bull market, the upcoming giant bull market the crypto space has ever seen, triggered by BlackRock and big banks joining. Is Pepecoin a good choice or not? This is what we're gonna see here in this video, guys. So with no further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so for those that do not know, Pepecoin is a new meme coin that got launched this year, and it quickly rose to fame, and it quickly became one of the biggest meme coins in the crypto space. What is it caught a lot of people's attention, a lot of people joined the Pepecoin train, and Pepecoin quickly rose to the top of the meme coin space, being third among the largest meme coin cryptos. We have Dogecoin first, Shiba Inu second, and Pepecoin is third. The previous bull market, that 2020-2021 bull market, we've seen Shiba Inu rise to fame with its close relation to Dogecoin being another dog meme coin. Shiba Inu rose to fame and has made many people rich previous bull market. Now this year we've seen Pepecoin, and this is the first meme coin that make it to the top of the meme coins, not being a dog related coin or not trying to mimic Dogecoin's success or Dogecoin name. And Pepecoin is simply based on the Pepe meme. Now since Pepecoin got introduced to the crypto space this year, as I said, it quickly made it to the top coins or the top meme coins by market cap, ranking on that third, which guys make it probably one of the strongest contenders to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu for the upcoming giant bull market. And since Pepecoin made it to the crypto space, it's became probably the most talked about meme coin, which brings in a lot of talk about, is Pepecoin going to be the next Shiba Inu of the bull market? Now as I said guys, Dogecoin was that first meme coin to ever make it, and then it saw a rise, or a astronomical rise, that made a lot of people rich. And then we've seen right after it Shiba Inu riding that same wave and as well going on an astronomical rise, as we can see here on that Shiba Inu chart. And now there is a lot of talk that Pepecoin could be that next meme coin for the upcoming bull market. Now here is my opinion guys, we probably gonna see all the meme coins rallying in the bull market, and the question is, which coin is gonna be that coin where we're gonna see the highest amount of returns? Now in a bull market everything pumps, from the cat coins, the frog coins, the dog coins, the lizard coins, any coin pumps. And it's simply because we have a large amount of liquidity entering the market, and we see a huge amount of FOMO and euphoria and in the market that drives prices up. And especially guys, as soon as one coin among the meme coins starts rallying, all the other meme coins start rallying, because people wanna replicate the same pumps they saw on Shiba Inu, let's say, and they want to find the next Shiba Inu. And that's the key word guys. A lot of people are gonna see Shiba Inu and Dogecoin rallying, and they're gonna want the next thing. The people in crypto space are always looking for that next coin, and in this case guys, we have Pepecoin pretty much set to be that next Shiba Inu. As we can see, standing at the third place throughout the year, throughout this 2023 year, we've seen Pepecoin just standing there. And recently we've seen as well Floki, which is as well riding that dog themed coin, working hard on their coin. Right now Floki is a project with fundamentals, with games and staking, a lot of things that these fundamental guys like to see on crypto projects, and still it couldn't make it to that third place, and Pepecoin is still standing on the third place. Not only that guys, Pepecoin got listed on Binance right after we've seen this huge rally. And now guys, we have to understand something here, is that a lot of these coins, they pump for reasons that very few people know, and usually there is a lot of behind the scenes stuff happening that we cannot simply understand, and why some coins pump and some others don't. And the reason why Pepecoin got chosen as the first coin to get listed on Binance, and in fact as soon as Pepecoin got listed on Binance, Floki joined in on the same wave, even though Floki existed way before Pepecoin, but Pepecoin got listed right there and then on Binance. And that's a huge bullish sign from Pepecoin here guys, to get listed on Binance right then and there when it just started, few months after it got launched, it got listed on Binance, which is a major exchange, and they are very careful with what they are listing. And there are many other big coins or projects that are meme coins, and they did not make it to Binance, but Pepecoin made it for some reason that we do not understand. Maybe there are a lot of big people behind the scene pushing Pepecoin, but the most important thing to us here, guys, as crypto investors, is to know that there are some invisible forces behind the scenes pushing for Pepecoin. Now here we can see Pepecoin got listed on Binance, and that is super bullish for Pepecoin, and that tells me, guys, that as soon as we gonna get that huge big bull market, Pepecoin is pretty much set to see some huge rally. And we can look at the Shiba Inu chart to give us some sort of a heads up of what could we expect from Pepecoin. And before we get there, guys, today I want to present you with today's video sponsor, Cryptonomy, a platform that facilitates investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptonomy backs the early stage crypto projects building the Web3 and its decentralized infrastructure. With Cryptonomy, you got launch pool, you can borrow, stake, and manage your asset all in one platform. Now, with Cryptonomy, you can deposit and stake your cryptos and your stable coins and earn APY on your investments. And with its launch pool, using this early stage investment, they can actually generate high returns, which they pay back to people who are depositing and investing in their platform. Of course, because they are generating this yield from investment, it can hold risk, so for sure do your own research before deciding it's a fit for you. So what you can do in this platform, you can open up an interest account and you can earn interest on your stable coin and your crypto. And they have a wide variety of tokens to stake, including Pepecoin, and there is a number of ways you can earn on your crypto. You have flexible staking with around 20% APY, where you can withdraw your crypto at any time. And there is fixed staking, where you deposit for a fixed term, and this increases the APY up to over 100%. To get started, there is a link in the description. You can create an account, head over to wallet, and you can see what asset you can deposit and you also withdraw. After depositing your crypto in the wallet, you can go to your interest account, deposit to start earning. As I deposited some Pepecoin, and you can choose to either get monthly interest, which means interest is automatically transferred to your wallet every month. This also lowers the annual rate. You can either choose to activate this feature or not, and you can choose to continue and stake your coins on that platform. Now, please remember, this is not financial advice, and thank you again to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. Anyways, guys, back to the charts here and back to Pepecoin. So as I said, as soon as Shiba Inu got listed on Binance, we've seen a huge drop on Shiba Inu, followed by a long period where Shiba Inu was just on that accumulation phase, where it was just boring. And I do remember these days, and I was on Shiba Inu back then, and at some point I got so bored and I was questioning if Shiba Inu would ever see any pumps. And back then we just seen Bitcoin dropping from 65k to 30k, and the whole market was not really doing that great. And suddenly we've seen Shiba Inu going parabolic here on a pump of almost 12x. Now you need to keep in mind here, guys, that Shiba Inu's market cap here was way higher, and as well on that period of time Dogecoin was already the star of that bull market. Now here, guys, we are seeing the same thing playing on Pepecoin. As we can see here, guys, Pepecoin got listed here on Binance, and then since then we're just seeing Pepecoin going on some sort of a consolidation. Now this could take way longer until people really start to question if this is ever gonna happen, or is this ever gonna pump. Now here, guys, there is one advantage to Pepecoin here, which is the market cap. Now Pepecoin is standing at $467 million market cap, which is pretty low compared to Shiba Inu right now, which is back to those prices that we've seen back then in that bull market. And here, guys, Shiba Inu is standing at 4 billion or almost $5 billion market cap. So you can see it's already a 10x from Pepecoin. Shiba Inu is already ahead 10x from where Pepecoin is standing right now at. Now this gives Pepecoin a larger advantage where we could see even higher pumps on Pepecoin as the market cap is very low. Now, given the fact that we could expect a way bigger bull market than the previous one, given that BlackRock and big banks are joining, a large amount of liquidity are gonna join the market, and we could just imagine when all these new investors joining the markets are gonna get done with Bitcoin and they're gonna get their returns from Bitcoin, their 5x's or their 4x's or their 6x's, they're gonna be looking at other alternatives. And Pepecoin being now a trending meme coin and a lot of people are talking about it, Pepecoin is pretty much sitting on that place where it could really benefit from large amount of liquidity entering the market. That means, guys, we could target way higher returns on Pepecoin given that we get a large bull market, which means, guys, if Pepecoin just manages to get a $50 billion market cap, which is really possible in the meme coin space, as Dogecoin went up to 90 billion. Yes, $90 billion market cap. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu went up to that 50 billion. So if Pepecoin manages to pull that 50 billion, that's 100x from here. And right now, as the prices are pretty low, it is really hard to imagine that this could be possible, as we just came out of a bear market, and that bear market PTSD is still in the market right now, and it is really hard to imagine that one day we could get those real huge large pumps as the same thing that happened back then here to me, where I was thinking Shiba Inu would never pump, but then we've seen a huge rally out of nowhere. Now the same thing could happen, especially as soon as Bitcoin starts going towards that all-time high. We could see that bear market PTSD fading away, and we could see a renewed hope and a renewed euphoria in the market, which gonna send most of other altcoins rallying, and Pepecoin, as I said, is positioned to really benefit from that, especially right now, guys. This leaderboard here with top meme tokens by market cap is pretty much a glimpse of the future of what could happen. If Pepecoin manages to stay on that third place, there is a very high chance that it's gonna get picked up by large amount of liquidity, and it would just make sense that it would rally in the future here once we get that bull market, as long as we have Pepecoin here standing on that third place. Probably some invisible forces are behind Pepecoin that are keeping Pepecoin still up onto that third place, and you can bet those same forces are gonna send Pepecoin way higher, and it could really skyrocket in the future. So that's my opinion here, guys, on Pepecoin. You can let me know in the comment section what's your opinion on Pepecoin. As I made it clear, I am still invested on Pepecoin, and for the price action here, guys, as I said, this could take way longer, and we could just be doing this for another 6 months until the point where people would just start thinking that the pump will never happen. The same thing that happened here with Shiba Inu, and then we're gonna see that pump. So in this investing game, guys, patience is key, and patient people win here, and people with the highest conviction win in this space. And to me here, guys, Pepecoin is that high conviction play when it comes to meme coins, and it is pretty much set for that bull market, being on those major exchanges, and for some reason holding well, being a meme coin that just appeared this year. Anyways, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here, and as usual, nothing is financial advice, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.